Hi learners, welcome to my video. Today, we'll be starting with the Oxford Countdown Mathematics 3rd edition. If you're new to the channel, let me remind you that here on Digital Learning, you'll find a variety of educational and informative content that will definitely benefit you. In today's video, we'll begin with Chapter 1, Whole Numbers. You'll find the complete solution for this book available on our channel. Since this is the very first video of the series, the upcoming lessons will also be published on this channel. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. The first topic that we're going to learn is even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers that are completely divided by 2, which means the remainder is 0 after dividing by 2. Such numbers are called even numbers. Now consider this example. If we divide 6 by 2, we will get remainder 0. 2 threes is 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, so 6 is an even number. In case of tens or 2 digits, like if we consider 62, 84, 90, 10, and 76 are all even numbers because the unit digits are 2, 4, 0, and 6, so all of these are even numbers. Similarly, if we have 4 or 5-digit number, we can find whether it is even or not by looking at its unit digit. In case of 1004, the unit digit is 4. Since it is even, so it is even number. Now, coming to odd numbers, what are they? These digits are those which are not completely divided by 2, and its remainder is not 0. Now, if you consider 31, 45, 73, and 85, these are all odd numbers because the unit digits are 1, 5, 3 that are not completely divided by 2. So these numbers are odd numbers. I hope you understood now what's odd and even numbers. Now coming to Roman numbers, what are they? Roman numbers are totally different from the numbers we use today. The numbers that we use today, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are all called Arabic numerals. These are the 7 Roman symbols that can be used as Roman numbers: I, V, X, L, C, D. They had no symbol for 0 because they didn't know about it in those days. This concept was taken by the Arabs. However, we still use Roman numbers in our daily life. This clock on your book contains Roman numbers. I is meant for 1. II means 2. III means 3. IV means 4. V means 5. VI means 6. VIII means 7. VIII means 8. IX means 9. X means 10. XI means 11. XIII means 12. On this page, you can see there are Roman numbers written against Arabic numerals. You have to memorize this. If you look number 1, it states that if we have smaller symbol before greater, then it will be subtracted from greater. If you look at rule number 2, if smaller symbol is after the greater symbol, then it's added. So here rule number 1 is applied since smaller symbol is before greater symbol, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, this Roman symbol represents 4. Rule number 2 states that if smaller symbol is after the greater symbol, then it's added. So here V means 5 and I means 1, so it will 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now, I hope you understood what are the Roman numbers. Coming to page 6 activity, we have Arabic numbers and Roman numbers. We are supposed to write Roman numbers. As we have learned before, 1 stands for I in Roman number, and we also learned that 10 stands for X. If you recall the rule that if unit digit is smaller, then it's added with tens. 12 will be written as XII, since smaller symbol II is after the greater symbol, so it will be added. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Similarly, for 13, we will write XIII because smaller symbol III is after greater symbol X, so it will be 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Therefore, the Roman number will be XIII. For 14, we will write XIV, and we will complete this table. If you have any question in your mind regarding today's topic, then you can ask me in the comments section. In question 2, we have to look at boxes with Roman numbers written on it. As we have learned how to indicate the Roman numbers, so the first box containing the Roman number is XIII. X stands for 10, and III stands for 3. So according to the rule number 2, if the smaller symbol is after the greater symbol, then it will be added. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Therefore, the number is 13 and the letter is I. In XX, letter X stands for 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So the number is 20 and the letter is L. In Roman number VIII, we know it's 8, so we will find the digit 8, and therefore the letter is 8. Letter X means 10, and V means 5. 5 will be added in 10, so it will be 15. The number is 15, and the letter is V. In XIX, letter X stands for 10, and IX stands for 9, since smaller symbol is after the greater symbol, so it will be 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Therefore, the number is 19, and the letter is E. In XVIII, letter X represents 10, and VIII represents 7. Since 7 is small, so it will be added to 10. Therefore, the number is 17, and the letter is M. In IX, I stands for 1, and letter X means 10. Here we will apply rule number 1. Therefore, we will subtract 10 minus 1, and it will become 9. So the number is 9, and the letter is Y. V stands for 5. The number is 5, and the letter is C. In VIII, V stands for 5, and III stands for 3. It will be added, and it becomes 8. The letter is O. In XIII, X means 10, and VII means 6. Therefore, the number is 16, and the letter is U. III means 3, and the letter is N. IV means 4, and the letter is T. In XIII, X means 10, and III means 2. Therefore, it becomes 12, and the letter is R. IX means 9, and the letter is Y. This makes I love my country. In question number 3, you have to write Roman numbers for 1 to 100, and this is your homework. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to Digital Learning for more informative content. I will catch you in the next piece of content. Have a great day.